Impossible.
No, it's not.
We've only got 2 weeks.
We have 2 weeks for 64 doors.
I'd be happy if we could install a total amount of maybe 30 doors in this time.
In a traditional way, maybe. But the Accordia is planned with the EntriWorX EcoSystem. Less workforce, more installed doors, a short amount of time. Okay, here's the plan. We send one of our guys to the Accordia. Let's say Steve.
Steven. And he can handle all this on his own.
Yes, he can. Because of the EntriWorX unit. It's the connection between all the components and it replaces complex wiring.
Okay. It digitizes the access components, I get it. But what's with all the different transmission protocols?
The EntriWorX unit runs with a canvas system. There are no different transmission protocols. After the EntriWorX unit is installed and the components are connected, Steven can start with the commissioning of the door.
Let me guess, with the EntriWorX setup app?
Yeah, exactly. The setup app guides him step by step through the process. After this, he runs a short connectivity test. And voila, the door system is set and ready. It's child's play. Easy. 64 doors in 2 weeks. No problem.
But how can the setup of the door system be so quick? Every door system is different and has various requirements.
Because of Marcus.
Marcus, the security planner.
Yeah.
Isn't he in his sabbatical?
Every door is pre-configured with the help of a digital twin. When the planning process is finalized, the data will be sent into the cloud. And Steven has access to all the presets with the EntriWorX setup app. So he always has the proper setup ready for the right door.
Sounds pretty easy. But what happens when something unforeseen occurs?
What do you mean?
When, for example, Steven can't find all necessary components. Or when there's brand new components that Steven's not familiar with. That will ruin the entire schedule.
It's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
No, it's not a problem. Steven has a parts list and all part numbers for this project in the EntriWorX setup app. He has all project documents in one place. Specifications, wiring and connection plans, building layouts. And there are installation videos implemented as well, just in case.
And after all that?
After the swift installation process, the facility management gets access to all the door data.
Less workforce for more installed doors in a short amount of time.
You said it. Give it a try.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.